Welcome to this Windows channel, and this is a quick announcement. Microsoft officially decided to say something about the April update, and so they announced today that it will be called the Windows 10 April 2018 update. That makes sense. And to make sure that they can call it the April 2018 update, they announced that the release date will be this coming Monday, April the 30th, 2018. So this Monday, you're going to start having the rollout of the latest version of Windows 10. So starting Monday during the day, probably early afternoon Eastern time, there's going to be a rollout. It's going to be, of course, in waves. Remember that. Some of you will see it on Monday. Some of you will not see it immediately. It's probably going to roll out slowly first, then go faster and faster at the update. And of course, will we reach 92.1% by September, October, when we're going to get the next update? That's going to be interesting to see. And also, what's going to be interesting to see starting Monday is how well it's rolling out. We'll be checking that out next week. If I see any reports of glitches, problems, or unusual problems at rollout, I will be talking about it. Once again, don't force it. Wait for it to appear. The problems, or the people that have problems, most of them have forced it rather than waiting for it to appear within your machine. So it's official. The April 2018 update is this Monday, April 30th, 2018. You enjoy our videos, please subscribe, give us thumbs up. Thank you for watching.